Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Google Maps SDK for iOS and Android step by step clearly. To update the Google Maps SDK for iOS, ensure you have the latest version of CocoaPods installed. In the terminal, navigate to your project directory. Open the pod file in your project directory. Locate the line that specifies the Google Maps SDK. Change the version number to the latest available version. Save the pod file and return to the terminal. Run the command pod update to update the SDK. Wait for the update process to complete without any errors. Once completed, open your Xcode project again. Switch to the pods project in Xcode. Verify that the Google Maps SDK version reflects the update you made. Next, let's move on to updating the Google Maps SDK for Android. Open your Android Studio project. Locate the build.gradle file in your app module. Find the dependency for the Google Maps SDK. Change the version number to the latest version available. Ensure you sync your project with the updated Gradle files. Once the sync is complete, check for any errors in the build. Run your application on an emulator or a physical device. Confirm that the updated SDK is functioning correctly. You have successfully updated the Google Maps SDK for both iOS and Android. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.